Before I start this video, I would like to mention that I had recently started a Patreon, so you could go support me there, and all of my social medias will be linked in the description. Hello, I am ShadowXthevampire. Welcome to my channel. I just got a notification that today is Bisexual Pride Day, so I want to get this video up as soon as possible. I am doing bisexual pride makeup, and I'll be using the palette I reviewed in the last video. Here are the colors I'll be using. For pink, we got Vacay, Adventure for purple, and Macaw for blue. I might also use Lovebirds and Rio for some extra glam. I usually do my brows before recording, but for this video, I thought it would be a neat idea to use the colored eyeshadow on my brows. So pink will go closer to the middle. Next is Adventure, the purple color. And then Macaw, the blue color. And there's a look for the belts. To start on the eyelids, I will do pink for over the hood of the eyes, as well as on the line. That didn't quite work out how I intended, but it kind of works. Next is Adventure. I'm just gonna do a thin line of Adventure. And just make sure it looks as pigmented as possible. And Macaw around the tail. Next I'm going to put Lovebirds and Rio around where the eyeliner is gonna go. For extra adventurousness, I am going to use the bisexual flag as part of the shading for my nose. Just like the flag, pink goes on top, purple goes in the middle, and blue goes on the bottom. It is now time for the highlighter. I am going to put it on the inner corner of my eyes, and if you are working with a flat brush, you go along with the line of your eyes, and then for one, just tilt the angle a little bit. And then I like to go a bit further into the corner, just because I think that looks cute. Now, there's a trick on TikTok where you would use tweezers, place them on the nose like that. But I noticed that fingers would work even better. But right now, since I already got the line visible with the bisexual flag, I can just go down the middle of that. And it looks good. And next I just blend that in. For under the eyes, I would also use a little bit of highlighter. Just enough to brighten up your eye circle. And then blend by hand. And that's it for all of that contouring. To finish off the look, I'm going to add my eyeliner. And that is the final look. Everything pretty much ended up mixing together, but that's okay. At least it looks very bright and glam. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.